Hi, in this video I have a wheelie bin. It is upside down and the wheel has come off. Actually, it is damaged. So I have a replacement wheel and I'm going to demonstrate how to fit this. All you need to do is make sure that there is nothing in the way. Look, my finger can go in the hole there. All I do is I take the replacement wheel and I feed it over the shaft and I just press. It makes a definitive click. Check that it is locked in place and there we go. The wheel has been replaced. If, for example, your wheel is damaged but you cannot get it off, just look on the inside where the spokes are. Hopefully you'll have a window there and there are some threads that I can slide up. So I wedge the screwdriver in there and then I lift and then I can slide the wheel off. So if I want to get this wheel off, there's a window there. I take my screwdriver, I go at an angle because I want to get the pin itself and then I lift it. And once I lift it, I can actually slide the wheel off. So there's a window here. Try to put your screwdriver a little bit in there in order to grab the pin. Notice how the pin is down. There it is. If you can't get access to the pin, there is a spring here, and if I just push the spring, yes, using gravity, the pin will go down. Then you have to do this with the window facing downwards, so gravity can work. Right, so replacing the wheel, I line it up and I press it in, and you'll hear a click, and it's in place. Some wheels unfortunately have no window on the inside. However, if you're lucky, you might find a window on the outside. Over here, it was actually sealed and I have opened it, but I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my screwdriver, push it in there and lift the pin, and then there comes the wheel. On some wheels, you might find a hubcap here you can open and then try to get to the pin, and then from this side get to the pin and press it down, or if there's a window here you can pull the pin downwards. Some have a cover here and you have to take the cover off. Often you might need a screwdriver to take the cover off, and then you might see that pin, lift the pin, and then you can take the wheel off. Thanks for watching and cheers.